I am going to give you 2 really important tips to help you write based on the psychology of how your reader is reading your webpage. So we all read in what we call an F pattern. That means that we read the top headline first, then we skim down the page, reading less and less of the sentences, and then we skim down for bullet points. And it kind of looks like an F pattern if you look at the heat maps. Why that is important for you is that means that you need to be really, really aware of what words are on the left-hand side of your page. So if you are splitting headlines, make sure that first word on the second line is important. It's not just a filler word like to or have. It's a word that is going to capture attention. And the second way it will really help you is to think about headlines and subheads down your page. We know people skim pages before we read them properly. So making sure you having skimmable subheads down your page will help you adhere to the F pattern rule.